Notices that Leo has the codes and asks him to call their superiors, but Leo refuses and Harp demands to know what truly is going on. Leo reveals that he has chosen Harp because the android backup system allows him to ignore human authority if the person is exhibiting poor judgment, and Harp has been doing nothing but make bad decisions. In fact, the chip he removed from Leo's body wasn't a tracker but a failsafe device, and thanks to the drone, Eckhart now thinks they're dead, so he has free range to act. A shocked Harp reaches for his gun to stop him, but Leo takes out his own weapon first and knocks Harp out, saying he's saving his life. Moments later, Harp wakes up when a few kids poke him with a stick and he discovers he's near another refugee camp. A mysterious van shows up and Harp tries to run away, but the men quickly capture him and take him to see the leader of the resistance, who turns out to be Sophia. She explains that Leo will be taking control of the nuclear missiles for the resistance and launch a nuclear strike on the US because they aren't really peacekeepers, they've only been making this war worse. Harp thinks this is a mass murder of millions of innocents, but Sophia points out it's the same kind of collateral the US gets when they send their drones to the local towns. Then Sophia lets Harp go home, thinking there's nothing he can do. Meanwhile, Leo goes to meet with Victor himself, revealing that they've been working together all along. However, Leo refuses to give him the codes and asks for the location of the missiles, which Victor refuses to share too. Since Leo was already angry because Victor's Gumps tried to kill him, he immediately grabs Victor and uses him as a shield for revenge while he shoots all the men that surround him. When more soldiers come in, Leo lets go of Victor to fight them, killing them one by one in just a few seconds. Then Victor tries to shoot Leo, but the robot grabs a flag and kills Victor with it. Afterward, Leo checks the computers and gets the location of the nukes, so he heads there. Later in the evening, Harp manages to make it back to the base, where he tells Miller and Eckhart everything that happened. They need a way to track Leo's location to stop him, so Harp calls Bale and makes her use a drone to locate Leo, who is driving along the Russian border. Eckhart points out he can't send forces there because it'll start a war with the Russians, so Harp volunteers to go after Leo alone. Before Harp leaves, Miller gives him incendiary rounds designed to go